Let's take a look at the next one. Remember that I'm solving, and the reason I know that I'm solving is because it is equal to 0. So the first thing I always do is I say a equals 1, because that's the coefficient there, b equals negative 5, and c equals 6. So I find the factors of a times c that add to b. So in the first column, a times c, that would be 1 times 6, and that equals 6. And my factors have to equal negative 5. Here's where the tricky part comes in, or where you have to really pay attention here. I have to multiply two numbers to give me 6, but they have to add to a negative 5. So what that means is that in order for me to get a positive here, to multiply two numbers, either they're both positive or they're both negative. So what I'm going to do is 1 times 6 is 6, but 1 plus 6 is a positive 7, but I need a negative value. So my only option is to make this negative, negative, and negative, and now it equals negative 7. But that isn't going to help me any. So we go to the next one. Negative 2 times negative 3. So negative 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 5. Ding, 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 ding. That's what you're looking for. Right there. Negative 5. So I take my factor and I put it over ax. So that will be 1x. And I take my other factor and I put it over 1x. Remember, it's your factors over a times x. So when I factor this, I'm going to have 1x minus 2 and 1x minus 3. You always go from bottom to top, bottom to top. Remember that I'm solving here, so I can't stop here. I need to continue solving. And what is this property that I'm using here? The zero product property. I have two factors, 1 and 2, meaning I'm multiplying two things together. So 1x minus 2 equals 0, and 1x minus 3 equals 0. Add 2 to both sides. X equals 2. Remember, I don't need to write 1x. Plus 3 and plus 3. X equals 3. So my solution, or my answer, is 2, 3. And remember, these are curly brackets.